Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm going to show a little trick. I'm in a group called A Little Goddess and All, and my friend Carol runs it, and they have been doing a lot of grungy stuff. So it got me thinking, back in the day, what did we used to do for grungy stuff? And I thought, I'm going to show what we used to do, one of the things. So, as you can see here, I have a piece of paper and it is painted with some pink paint. No big deal. And then I have Vaseline, which you can get this Vaseline. I mean, you can get it at the dollar store and you can get a big old container of it at the dollar store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Vaseline like that. Not a big deal. And this is a peeled paint look. So you take your Vaseline and run it, and you want it to be thick, very lightly. I'll need a little bit more. You could probably scoop this out to be a little bit more effective than I am, but we're gonna, maybe Carol remembers this. You remember this, Carol? All right, I'm gonna do a little bit more over here. Again, you can use a brush, you can use, whatever you have. You want it to coat it. Okay. I'm like, is there ever enough of anything? Okay, I'm very excessive. All right, okay, we're good. We're good, we're good. So you can see where it is a little bit shiny, and you don't have to put that much, but that's going to sit there. And now I have some blue, but you know what's really cool? Like if I had maybe a red or an orange or something on here, but I really want you guys to see how it goes on and what it does. And this, like I said, is excessive. Once you see what happens and what I do, then you'll say, oh, I could do this next time. I can do that, So then I'm going to put some paint. And I'm just going to do it like this because I'm just going to show you. Now, try very hard not to run too much over the Vaseline, because what will happen is you will move the Vaseline, and that's not what you want to do. So just take your brush and very lightly, you'll see where it goes. And like I said, you can kind of see where you have it. It's no big deal. You can go over the Vaseline, of course, but you don't want to move it. You don't want to go hard. Do you know what I mean? You don't want to like push down and move the Vaseline. Okay. All right. So I think that'll be enough. Okay. Just to cover up that little area. You're going to hear my dog's feet on the ground. I do apologize. He's old. He's my old man. And he, he likes to do his thing. He just likes to wander around. So what I'm going to do is let this dry. I shall come back and I will show you the deliciousness, which is called peeled paint. I'll be back. Okay, so let's see what happens. So I have a piece of paper towel or toilet paper, whatever you use, and you're to take it and wipe. And like you're teaching your kid to wipe their butt. Just, it's gross, I know, but it's, hey, getting some more. And you can see, I mean, I did put a lot of stuff down, Vaseline, but it's all right. Just gonna wipe. Don't put as much Vaseline down as me. I thought I was having fun. But it's savable, right? Everything's savable. So look. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Look. At what we did. Get that on there. But look at, you can't even see because of my light. Let's do it this way. Look how cool. So now we have a little bit of grunge going on. Now, can you, let let me move this out so you can you spray this with a little bit of water and clean it up a little bit more. Now I should have grabbed my paper toweling because it is a little bit rougher and, you know, we'll do the things, but look how that stays. Look at it. Look how cool. So you can see I put the Vaseline here, 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 here. Now you see how awesome that looks and how it, so imagine if I only put a little bit here, right? And then had to paint. You see, like I just had it in certain spots. So use your creativity and have a blast with this. And this is a background. This is on your art journal pages. Do this on the canvas. You can do whatever you want. And then you can go on top and stamp. You can paint. You can draw. You can do whatever you want. The Vaseline comes off. You know what I mean? And you are good to go. So this is a lot of fun. I'm going to just get this off the edge here. I mean, you see me. I'm rubbing. And it's just staying on there. It ain't going anywhere. Oh, what fun. I love doing stuff like this. But now, you have a little grungy little piece of something, something. And you can cut this and use it into different ways or whatever. And like I said, you don't need to go so crazy with the Vaseline like I did. But, I mean, it's just so much fun. Now, I will be back in another day or so with another little fun tip. I hope you guys use this, and I hope this encourages you, you know, just a little creativity to step out of your box for a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.